is Megan Woolner. I work at St Cross Primary School as a class teacher. I teach in Year 4. It's an average one-form entry school and I have 30 children in my class. Before we purchased this board, we had a smart board technology which included a board with a projector on a boom. We felt that this was becoming quite old-fashioned and this Clevertouch screen presented us with new technology that we could use. The screen is very bright, it's HD, there isn't any problem with lights coming in from the windows. But as soon as I got it, because I forewarned them that we were getting it, and as soon as I got it, they were wowed. And all the technology, all the different software that I'm using on the board is always impressing them. It's so much more brighter, so they're reacting to everything that's going on. They're a lot more keen to come up and have a go because they can do that, whereas before they had to sit down and perhaps watch one child have a go on it. The films that we watch are now in HD, so it's a lot clearer. The sound, which is integrated in them, is a lot louder and crisper for them to hear. Unlike the old smartboard technology where you have one pen and one child will come up and write on it, we now have a multi-touch surface, so you can have 2, 3, 4, 5 children coming up at once and all using it.